class. It's story time. I will be reading The Ugly Duckling.
I know I will do. I'm going to burp in the class.
Junior, how dare you burp in class? That's it. Go to the principal's office right now. Junior, how dare you burp in class? That's it. You're even more grounded from 498998598599000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000years. Go to bed now.